Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall be sketching a sleek and stylish laptop. Begin by sketching the basic outline of the laptop's shape using light pencil strokes. Pay attention to proportions and angles to ensure accuracy in your drawing. Next, add details such as the screen, keyboard, and trackpad using simple geometric shapes. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. We shall refine the details later on. Now, let's focus on adding depth and dimension to our drawing by shading the darker areas. Use your pencil to lightly shade areas where shadows would naturally fall, such as beneath the screen and around the edges of the laptop. Gradually build up the shading to create a realistic three-dimensional effect. Take your time and blend the shadows smoothly for a polished look. Now let's add some details to our laptop to make it truly unique. You can personalize your drawing by adding stickers, decals, or even drawing your favorite brand logo on the laptop's cover. Get creative and make it your own. As we add the finishing touches, remember to step back and admire your laptop. Appreciate how far you have come in creating this beautiful drawing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are all part of the learning process. Remember to take breaks and relax your hand to avoid fatigue. Thanks for watching this video.